Hello lovely friends, for this Talent Tuesday finale today I've got a little rose with a wire using UV resin, and I've got a gorgeous mould kit from Resiners. So let's see how this rose was created alongside these other really cool little projects. I don't know if you know, but today is our last Talent Tuesday where my wonderful friend Kim and I are creating some magic. So firstly, thank you so much to my art family, my supporters, members, subscribers. Being on this journey with you has been amazing, and it's set to continue but in a slightly different way. Over the last 2 years, our friendship has blossomed, and I treasure her generosity, fun, kindness every single day. And these Talent Tuesdays have just filled my weeks with joy. But we're ending Talent Tuesdays together and both releasing videos. And I'll tell you a little bit more about it as we go along. And I've got a little poem that I've written for her as well. So let's get started with this rose made with wire and resin. Here's the kit. I've just got 2 pieces of plastic that I would normally have thrown away, and I wanted to get them into 2 different measurements, so I've used a chopstick and this one here. It's 5mm diameter, and the other one is between 2 and 4mm in diameter, so you can go up and down the chopstick depending on how big you want to make the rose petals. So first of all, for Kim, for years we've shared fluid art, spray painting and resin, laughter, colour and collabs that never fade, a light in our community, a sister, a heart we treasure each day. Though Tuesdays will shift and videos flow with ease, our friendship remains beyond screen and art, heart to heart, always, never apart. This Valentine is not goodbye, it's walking alongside each other forever, hand in hand, heart to heart. As we go back to looking at how we create the petals, I'm winding the wire around once, and the wire is 0.5mm. It's really easy to work with, and the one that I got was from a florist locally. So I'm winding it round, and I'm using the short end to fold over it, and then I use a hand tool, a multi-tool, to twist it slightly. So you're twisting each time you form a petal. And you can I did 4 different lots of these of different sizes. I used this applicator, which I've just used, a plastic applicator, on its true size, and then I just used it on the same applicator, but I just made it slightly bigger. And when I was on the chopstick, I used the thin and thicker edges of the chopstick. So you can use whatever you like. Some people use 4 different sizes for ease, but I found it quite easy just using 2. And I just like to use what's around me in the home as well. So I'm going to leave you with some music and just enjoy the process as I begin to apply resin for the first time doing this. And I think this rose can be used for any jewellery. And I'm just so honoured by Resiners to be given this beautiful Valentine's kit, which will be opening up shortly. And I'll be showing you 3 extra fun projects that I did alongside this rose. So stay tuned to see the end results, the whole process, plus the look projects. I'll see you shortly.
All of these places I've been, they don't feel like forever. But each step I'm taking, it seems like I'm finding myself. Oh, 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 oh. I've searched for gold and I've uncovered all kinds of treasure, but I'd take it all and I'd give it to somebody else, 'cause no I've traded my time for adventure. Yeah, I've seen the world and I know what it's got to give. Yeah, I've had some fun, but I know where I came from. Oh, I'm on my way back home. And I know on the other side of the great unknown, there's a place I'm welcome in. There's a place I know I'm called a friend. There's a place that I'm never alone. 'Cause there's a place called home. A place called home. Oh, said I'm on my way back home. There's a place I'm welcome in. There's a place I know I'm called a friend. There's a place that I'm never alone. 'Cause there's a place called home. A place called home. There's a place called home. A place called home. 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 Drive through the night to lay underneath the stars. Feels like I'm dreaming to be wherever you are. Oh, my walls are falling when I fell for you. From my heart I'm calling, hear me say I do. Your eyes are like oceans, wave after wave you are pulling me in. My true love and devotion, I'll spend eternity and only begin to see our love forever. Oh, And I love the silence, but that's what kills me after too long. And there's somebody else who lives here, and I know them too well. I get restless. Everyone I know is gone, and I love the silence, but that's what kills me after too long.
So I hope you've enjoyed these fun little projects. There's no end to what you can do with these lovely little moulds and the key rings that come with them, and I'm certainly going to be using them so much. Thank you so much to Moira from Resiners, you're an absolute star. So that's wrapping up our Talent Tuesday today, and I'm going to put link to Kim's new video in the description below. So a huge heartfelt thank you to all my wonderful friends in the art community who've become my family over the years, and to my wonderful friend Kim. Your generosity, kindness and creativity make every session so joyful. I'm so grateful for our friendship. And to the art family, thank you for walking alongside us on this creative journey. Your support, encouragement and love mean the world, and even as the Tuesdays shift, we're not going anywhere. We'll still be here experimenting, sharing and creative with you every step of the way. Whether it's fluid art, resin or a creative twist like today's wire and UV resin rose, it's your curiosity and playful spirit that inspire me the most. So from Kim and I, thank you always for being part of this adventure, and let's keep walking alongside each other, hand in hand, heart to heart forever. I'll be posting as usual on Tuesdays going forward, so look out for more videos. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Keep shining, and don't forget your art is a piece of you. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.